usually when I send out my wig kits, I send a bit of like a kit. So you might have noticed this in your kit. So what you want to do is you want to lay some on your hairline, or your skin rather. I can do my hairline because I actually remove mine properly so it doesn't bother my edges, but you want to lay it on your skin. You can actually use alcohol to hydrate your hairline so that there's no oil or anything like that. So this is like a hair gel, but it acts as if it's like an adhesive for your hair. So this is what I use to keep my wig units on. That's why I put it in the kit with you, and I give you instructions. But sometimes you guys get the kits and you throw the instructions away. So as you can kind of see, it's already tacky. And then just for a little extra insurance, I actually have the spray that I'll spray. I'm going to kind of pin back the unit a little bit, like the baby hairs. I'm going to pin them back a little bit so that it doesn't get into the adhesive when we're putting it on. So what you want to do is take the back, put the band in the back. Maybe I can do this a little bit. Put the band in the back. Make sure all the baby hairs are to the front or pinned away, right? Then you want to put your head, your band in, secure the combs in the back, and then you want to kind of have the wig back just a little bit so you can actually see where you want to stick it, right? So then you bring it down. I like mine over my ear because I like to be able to put my stuff behind my ear, but you want to take your flap from your frontal and literally just put it down on the gel adhesive. Same thing over here. You just want to put it down. Once it sets a little is when you can actually start to put it behind your ear and stuff like that. So I could take the clips out. And typically I will wrap, like once I'm finished styling, I'll wrap a band around my edges just to kind of secure it a little bit. Just to kind of secure it a little bit. But you want to make sure that it's sitting on the frontal. And you wait, you wait, you wait, you wait, you wait, you wait. Wait till like you're ready to go out. When it's a little bit dry. Typically I'll actually start to curl my hair.
From back here, so I'm not doing a whole lot today, so I'm just gonna stick a few curls in there. Not a lot.
And then it dries pretty quickly. But as you can see, it doesn't move anywhere. So now,
So I want my part to be over here today.
slayed, not going anywhere. And that's my hair for today. You can put it behind your ear. You can style it the way you wanna, but your wig unit doesn't go anywhere for today.